Hey guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of the Chanel item I got from Markdown sale. And also at this point I might able to maybe try to go to public Markdown sale if I have time. So let's see if I can add that. Otherwise I can talk about how you can be VIP in Chanel. So because I just figure out I didn't purchase a lot, but this year I could be able to VIP in one branch, not all the branch. So you need to really know how to really have a relationship with a specific your own SA. So it's all about between you and SA, the relationship. So it's like different from Hermes but almost similar. You need to go to specific one store and you need to have relationship with, build a relationship with one SA. I used to go to Beverly Hills branch only, but my SA in Beverly Hills, she retired like beginning of this year. So I couldn't find the right person for me. So I was like trying to find the new SA, the right SA for me. And I tried to go to like another branches, like 2-3 branches I tried. Good thing about Chanel is when you show your name, like whatever, like contact number, they check and they see your purchase history wherever you go. You can keep buying small things like every month, little bit to build your like purchase history. But important thing is the person who will put you on VIP list, that SA, you need to really buy something major thing. Like you cannot buy just sunglasses and become VIP. So you need to buy something like ready to wear or something like a mini flat bag at least. In that way, they think you as like a major customer. So yeah, that way they can put you on the list. You can talk about you are interested in ready to wear. You can just mention and wear like Chanel style, even though it's not Chanel. So they see you as like a possible ready to wear customer. I really love ready to wear. So if it's possible, if it's on sale, why not? But I never bought Chanel's ready to wear when it was regular price. Yeah, I was buying other things, but I keep mentioning I'm interested in Chanel style. That's what I did. So this new SA I found, she's very nice. She mentioned first to me that, are you interested in ready to wear? Like new sales are coming? Yes, I am really interested, I said. Yeah, so in that way, she brought the subject. I could be able to go to VIP sale, even though I'm not really a VIP. I didn't really buy a lot. So I was lucky, to be honest. So you know, this Markdown sale is twice a year, June once, and the second one will be December or January. So every like 6 months, there is a Markdown sale for ready to wear, like fashion jewelry and shoes. When I visited this time for VIP sale, there was not many options for the fashion jewelry and shoes, almost nothing. So I'm not sure. That's why I'm trying to check other branch like Beverly Hills if I can. So yeah, we'll see. Let me start with ready to wear. So one, I was not sure in the store, so I got 2 ready to wear piece from the store, and then one I just ordered by email. They send the link if you choose what you liked. Actually, I tried, and then one of the ready to wear piece I really liked it, so I was thinking about it after I come back. So I told my SA, can I buy from here and then get delivered by mail? She said yes. So yeah, I got another one extra, but I can maybe show later when I get next week. So let me show you. First one, this one is so pretty. You saw the from last video. I tried everything among those I got, so it's not like a new piece you've seen from the last. So this, you can see the pink. Yeah, pink stripe pullover. So I really liked it, and the price is amazing because it's 40%. So you need to like calculate because it doesn't show on the tag. So you need to calculate or ask your SA that how much is it in real after 40%. So this is so pretty. You know, this is cashmere. So you know, I wear the kind of similar style from March. This is just like polyester, cotton. So it's not like same. It looks same style, but it's not same material for sure. So you know how Chanel's material is really good, especially cashmere. You need to buy from Chanel. So I never thought of I could buy Chanel clothes. It's like beyond my limit, I thought. But after 40% off, it's like cheaper than really like other like major brand. So I was like shocked. Oh my god, I can buy with this price. So let me check. Pullover Cashmere pink color. This is size 36. So original price is over like 2,500 something. I don't know, over 2,000. But after 40% sale, it was 1,500. Really good deal, right? Cashmere sweater you can buy 1,000 something from major brand like Chanel. I love this. My god, it was so light. How to say? Yeah, it was so light and I love this. I was almost trying to get as a set. I'm gonna put the video. Yeah, but it's like too much. Top to bottom stripe, I don't like it. Maybe I can wear separate, but still like it's pricey to buy the bottom, the shorts. So I didn't get the shorts. I was almost getting, but like let me get another one with that same price maybe. Yeah, something I can wear, you know, by itself. So I really like this. Yeah, white and pink stripe, and I like this button detail here. Yeah, and this puff sleeve is so pretty, so cute. I can even wear like a summer when it's like a windy. It's not like a really hot material. Yeah, even though it says cashmere. So let me see quickly. So this is 36. Yeah, and I usually wear like small for the top. And let me see. Yeah, original price was 2,550, and I saved like $1,000. Isn't it good deal? Yeah, and they put something like this for extra. I love it. And next one. So I got another one I ordered. I'll show you when it arrives. But this one is also pullover. I think pullover is very versatile, practical. Casually, you can match with any like jeans, shorts. That's why I chose then like crazy like color, like some sweater or dress. Yeah, I want something, you know, something I can match and wear every day. So this one is also cashmere sweater, pullover. Oh, I love this. There was a red one. It's same style as a red one. I gotta put here. Yeah, but this one is better. Red one might be a little bit difficult to match, you know. But this one you can match with just jean, anything, shorts, jean, even skirt. I love this. It's tweed. Oh my god. I wish I could get tweed jacket, but tweed jacket was like over $10,000, which is like still it's gonna be like 6-7,000 after 40% off. So I'm like, okay, forget it. Too much, beyond my limit. So I just got something I can really wear every day, and then not too much pricey. Still it's pricey, yeah, but think about this is cashmere. So this very similar style, right? This one is from March. This one is Chanel, but this one is like polyester, cotton. I don't feel different when I wear, but this one might be really warm. Also, it's very light because it's made of cashmere. So I really love it. This one size 34. It was 2,100, but I paid 1,260. I saved like 1,000 again. And there's extra like button and the thread. I like this short sleeve. And next, so as you can see, the size and shape of the box. This is shoe. So there was not many options for shoe section. I usually wear 7.5 or 8, which is 37.5 or 38 in European size. So I could find my size, which is like 37.5, and this is kind of sandal. Yeah, the name is. I couldn't believe I can get with this price. Like, I wish I could get so many different like style and color, but this one was my choice. Ta-da! Okay, let me get rid of this. I'll show you. So this is a thong sandal. See this detail? Chanel button looks like, and there's like flower. And there was a red color as well, but like I didn't want to get red and white both. I was almost getting both, but like I don't think I'm gonna like red in this style. Yeah, but it looked kind of cute as well. So it is 550. Supposed to be more than 1,000, and I saved like 500 almost. So this is really good deal. And next, this one is the last one for today's unboxing. Let me just open quickly. So this is a fashion jewelry. I didn't have this kind of style from Chanel. I have just one necklace recently I got. This is bracelet. Ta-da! Yeah, I love this. This is so classic. I can wear anywhere. It's a little bit tricky to wear. Just open this bar. Then it's gonna be like this. And you can put here. And I'll try, but yeah, I think I could manage. Yeah, like this. It's like bar. So there was many size, like a small, medium, large size, which is like bigger when you wear. But this was perfectly fit, small size. I really loved it. So this is it for today's unboxing. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. And one dress is coming. I just ordered today. So hope you enjoyed my video. And if you like fashion, luxury brand, like lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hermes unboxing is coming soon, so wait for it. See you soon. Bye.